In the world of accounting, a fundamental concept is the chart of accounts. It's essentially a list of all the financial accounts used in a business's general ledger, categorized by type. For anyone starting with new accounting software, especially a powerful yet free and open-source tool like GnuCash, understanding the account options is the first and most critical step. So, what are the account options for GnuCash? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that GnuCash, with its robust double-entry accounting framework, provides all the standard account types you would find in any professional accounting system. Its power lies not just in the variety of account types, but in the flexibility it gives you to structure them in a way that makes sense for your personal finances or business. At its core, GnuCash organizes your finances using a hierarchical structure, much like folders on a computer. This structure, which you build yourself, is based on 5 primary account types. Let's delve into each of them. 1. Asset accounts. An asset is anything of value that your business or you personally own. Assets are what you use to generate income or benefit from in the future. GnuCash handles all standard asset types, allowing you to track and manage them effectively. Bank accounts. This is the most common asset account. It tracks your checking, savings, and money market accounts. GnuCash is designed to manage these with precision, allowing you to reconcile your account with bank statements and track every deposit and withdrawal. Cash accounts. For physical currency, you'll use a cash account. This is important for tracking petty cash for a business or your personal wallet for daily expenses. Accounts receivable. This is a critical account for any business that bills clients. It represents money owed to you by your customers for services or goods provided. GnuCash allows you to link invoices to this account, so you always know who owes you money and for how long. Investments. GnuCash can track various investment accounts, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and retirement accounts, like 401k or IRA. Its ability to fetch stock quotes from the internet makes it a powerful tool for monitoring the value of your portfolio. Fixed assets. For long-term assets like vehicles, property, or equipment, GnuCash lets you create fixed asset accounts. You can also record depreciation over time, which is important for business tax purposes. 2. Liability accounts. A liability is something you owe to others. It represents a financial obligation that you are responsible for paying. GnuCash provides the tools to track all your liabilities accurately. Credit card accounts. GnuCash is excellent for tracking credit card balances, transactions, and payments. You can set up each credit card as a separate liability account and reconcile it with your monthly statements. Loans, for mortgages, car loans, business loans, or personal loans. GnuCash allows you to track the principal and interest separately, providing a clear picture of your debt. Accounts payable. A/P. This is the flip side of accounts receivable. It tracks money that you owe to your suppliers and vendors. GnuCash's vendor management and bill tracking features are directly linked to this account type. Payroll liabilities. As discussed in a previous article, if you manage payroll manually, you would create liability accounts to track payroll tax withholdings and employer contributions that are due to government agencies. 3. Equity accounts. Equity is the residual interest in the assets of an entity after deducting liabilities. For a business, this is the owner's investment in the company. For personal finances, it's often referred to as net worth. Owner's equity. For a sole proprietorship, this account tracks the owner's stake in the business. Retained earnings. For corporations, this tracks the cumulative net income that is not distributed as dividends to shareholders. Opening balances. When you first set up GnuCash, you'll use an equity account to record the starting balances of all your other accounts. This is a crucial step to ensure the integrity of your double-entry system. 4. Income accounts. Income accounts track all the money coming into your business or personal finances. Sales/service income. For businesses, this tracks the revenue from your core services or product sales. GnuCash's invoicing and billing features post directly to these accounts. Interest income. Tracks income earned from savings accounts or investments. Salary/wages. For personal finances, this tracks the money you earn from your job. Dividends/capital gains. Tracks income from your investments. GnuCash allows you to create a granular hierarchy of income accounts. For example, a consulting firm could have sub-accounts for consulting fees, training revenue, and maintenance contracts. 5. Expense accounts. Expense accounts track all the money going out for the operation of your business or for your personal living costs. Business expenses. GnuCash allows for a detailed breakdown of business expenses like rent, utilities, office supplies, advertising, travel, and professional fees. Cost of goods sold, COGS. This is a critical expense account for businesses that sell physical products. It tracks the direct costs of producing the goods sold. Personal expenses. For personal finance, you can categorize expenses into areas like food, housing, transportation, entertainment, and healthcare. Payroll expenses. These accounts track the cost of wages and the employer's share of payroll taxes and benefits. The power of GnuCash's flexibility. The real power of GnuCash's account options is not just the list itself, but the ability to create a custom, hierarchical structure that precisely matches your needs. You can have main categories like assets, and then sub-accounts for current assets and long-term assets, with further sub-accounts for checking and savings. This nesting capability allows for a level of detail that is essential for accurate financial reporting. By using a custom chart of accounts, you are laying the foundation for all future financial management in GnuCash. It is what allows you to generate meaningful reports, analyze your spending, and understand the true financial health of your business or personal finances. This flexibility and adherence to core accounting principles make GnuCash a powerful and free alternative to commercial software, provided you are willing to invest the time in setting up your accounts correctly from the start.